Welcome to the LoanAdmin Loyalty tutorial. We'll guide you step by step through the activation process. First, review the updated terms and conditions. Check the box to accept and tap Continue. Here you can see your personal information. Your name, email, and profile photo are already set up. Tap the Edit button to complete your company details. Enter your business name and phone number. Now comes the data migration. This step automatically and securely transfers your information to the new system. The migration transfers your clients, loans, and payments. It only takes a few seconds to complete. Congratulations! Your loyalty account is now active with the Essential plan. All your data has been migrated successfully.